What is up? Good morning, YouTube. Hope y'all are having a great day. Hope y'all are feeling blessed and encouraged. Getting up bright and early today. Going to put in that work. Going to be doing chest and triceps today. Gonna be good. So I hope that you guys enjoy today's content. It's gonna be a long and easy day because I'm gonna shoot the vlog, post the vlog. You won't be seeing me after I go to the gym. Like the gym content will be the end of the video. So, but yeah. So basically, like, you know how it is, with my regular content. It's not gonna be me talking before I go to the gym, and then content during the gym, and then my post video after the gym. You know what I mean? It's not going to be like that. There's going to be no post video, but it's just going to go into music, and that's it. It's going to go into music, and yeah. So something light today, guys. So just to let y'all know, it'll be a little vlog today. I definitely agree with what Charlie Kirk says. If you don't know who he is, he's a very big, very big influencer, business, finance guy. Knows a lot about government. Knows a lot about the history of our government. So he's a pretty cool guy, pretty knowledgeable. And he says the reason why he comes and goes and talks to students across the country, that across all these different schools, is because he says that if humans stop interacting, if human interaction stops, then chaos ensues. And I completely agree with that when he says that, because it's very true to the thought of, yes, we are completely divided. Yes, we need to do something about it, right? What are we going to do something about it? Correct? That should be the grand old answer, that we should, not just by what we feel we need to be trying to do to make ourselves better, but to also try to put it in a perspective, real perspective, where it'll make sense. You'll be able to apply it, and it won't be a pain. But we live in such a world where we've grown up with technology and all that, where we want everything right now instead of being patient for it. see, to me, I'm thinking about doing like 2 or 3 chest exercises and then 2 or 3 tricep workouts. Like, you know, maybe do some isolated hammer curl, or not hammer curls. What is it? The isolated skull crushers. I want to do they said they're gonna do the room, and then all that stuff. Yeah. I'll definitely need my bed. The bed that I'm sleeping on is whack right now because it has like a huge dip, and it's like, no, I can't deal with that. I definitely cannot deal with that. Now, I mean, it's on the shore. It's just, it's gonna be a pain in the butt to try to get it back in. Let's go put in the work, shall we? But I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed today's content. I hope that you guys enjoy. Hope that you guys are staying tuned for more content as well. We only promote peace, unity, and community here on this channel. Hold on, I actually gotta... Okay, I'm fine. I don't really care. Okay, so, but I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. Hope that you guys stay tuned for more content. Hope that you guys have a great day. Hope you all are feeling blessed and encouraged once again. If you guys haven't already, leave a like and comment on the video. And of course, if you guys haven't already, subscribe down to the channel and hit the bell notification so you don't miss any new content and any new videos that are posted to the channel as well. I will be posting early today, all early today, so make sure y'all stay tuned for that and stay tuned for more content. So, hope that you guys have a great day. Enjoy the content. Enjoy chest and triceps. It's gonna be awesome. Gonna get a good pump in. Sorry, I sound like Quagmire from Family Guy, but I hope that you guys enjoy the content. I hope that you guys have a great day. Hope you guys are staying blessed and staying encouraged. Appreciate you guys always for the support on the channel. Of course, click down below. And remember, God loves you, God forgives you, and God wants what's best for you. So hope that you guys have a great day. God bless you guys.